This is the Itineo SC700. This van will cost 74,000 euros. And Itineo, which was designed as a cheap version of Rapido, is no longer a cheap version. So, well, it's cheaper than Rapido, but it's no longer cheap. You've got the bed up there, and coming around here, we've got the kitchen, and up here we've got the bed at the back, which will drop down into this area, which I presume is meant for the kids. Got some storage here, large shower there, and here we have the toilet. Fridge, fat one with a freezer above it. Kitchen here, quite a lot of workspace, 3 burners and a sink. Under here we've got storage and the seating group around the table. I suppose you could put 5 people there if you wanted to. Fully integrated motorhome. Let's have a look now around the outside. So as you see from here, the garage has got this inside, but this, the good news is, this will go up. The table there, I suppose you could take it out, and that would give you more room inside should it be necessary, or alternatively that bed could be brought down. Personally, I'd rather have a lot of space for my garage, for my bike in the garage. There you can see from this side, okay, it's got a rather strange look to the front, which is rather typical of many Itineo vans. So, SC700 from Itineo, a Rapido brand, and that video was under 3 minutes in length. So I hope you found that interesting. I try to do videos with more detail as a rule, but in these conditions I have here at Caravan Salon, it's not easy. So, thanks for watching.